Hello, I'm Dr. Catherine Lemos, Chairman of the U.S. Chemical Safety and Hazard Investigation Board. As the nation faces this year's hurricane season, it is critical that the chemical industry understand and prepare for the potential safety hazards posed by extreme weather events. On August 25, 2017, Hurricane Harvey made landfall in southeast Texas. The Arkema chemical plant in Crosby, Texas, about 25 miles northeast of Houston, sat in the path of this Category 4 storm. And over the next several days, an unprecedented amount of rain fell into the Houston metropolitan area, causing catastrophic flooding. By August 31st, equipment at the Arkema facility began to flood and fail. Chemicals stored at the plant decomposed and burned, releasing fumes and smoke into the air. 21 people sought medical attention from exposure to the fumes, and more than 200 residents living near the facility were evacuated and could not return home for almost a week. Through our investigation, the CSB discovered a significant lack of industry guidance on planning for flooding or other severe weather events, such as lightning strikes, earthquakes, and high winds. The incident at Arkema is not an anomaly. In recent years, flooding has increased across the country. Some experts predict this trend will continue. Most recently, dam failures contributed to severe flooding at a major chemical manufacturing complex in Midland, Michigan. Fortunately, no serious releases or other incidents were reported as a result of the flood. I applaud the emergency management and planning efforts that led to the success there. When analyzing safety hazards at a facility, companies are not specifically required to consider the risk of extreme weather. And for this reason, I'm concerned that other companies may not be aware of the potential for flooding to create process safety hazards. In our final report on the Arkema incident, we called on the Center for Chemical Process Safety to produce more robust industry guidance to help hazardous chemical facilities better prepare for extreme weather events. We are pleased that the CCPS has produced new guidance called Assessment of and Planning for Natural Hazards, which successfully fulfills our recommendation. We urge companies to review this guidance document, which provides an updated approach for assessing natural hazards, a means to address the hazards, and emergency planning. Importantly, the CCPS guidance states that it is good practice for companies to include data about potential natural disasters within its documented process safety information. The CSB stresses key lessons for facilities within areas susceptible to extreme weather outlined in our Arkema final report. Facilities should perform an analysis to determine susceptibility to potential extreme weather events, such as flooding, earthquakes, lightning strikes, and high winds. When conducting analysis of process hazards or facility siting, companies should evaluate the potential risk of extreme weather events and the adequacy of safeguards. When evaluating and mitigating the risk from extreme weather events, facilities should strive to apply a sufficiently conservative risk management approach. And if flooding is the risk, facilities must ensure that critical safeguards and equipment are not susceptible to failure by a common cause, and that independent layers of protection are available in the event of high water levels. As we face this year's hurricane season, chemical companies should prepare for the worst-case scenarios at their facilities. We cannot stop the storms, but working together, we can avoid catastrophic incidents from extreme weather and protect our communities and the environment. Thank you.